Hello students. Okay, what we're going to look at in this video is some slightly more complicated applications, financial applications of percent. So here's the first question. Calculate the sale price of the following item, rounding your answer to the nearest cent. And we've got a $500 stereo. That's the original price or the selling price, but it's going to be discounted by 15%. Now, the reason this is a bit tricky is the question is asking for the sale price, which is why I put it in boldface, but the information given is the discount as a percent. So we've got to be a little bit careful. We can't just find 15% of that and leave it at that. We've got to do a couple of other things. So I'm going to do this question two different ways, and then you can decide which one that you prefer. So the first method I'm going to use is to find the discount to start with. So find the discount. So the original price or the whole amount is $500. The percent discount is 15%. So I can write the discount equals percent discount times the whole amount. So this is going to be part equals percent times whole. And note that if I'm finding the discount there, it has to be the percent discount I'm using there. And that's going to be useful in some later questions, that these two quantities have to be about the same thing. Okay, in this case, the percent discount is 15%. Is a decimal 0.15. The whole is the original amount, which is $500. This is one that I can do in my head. 10% of that is $50, just moving the decimal point one place. Half of that's $25. So 15% is 50 plus 25. It's going to be a discount of $75. Now, once again, I'm not quite finished because the question isn't find the discount, it's find the sales price. And the sales price, in fact, I can't use SP, so I'm going to have to get rid of that. The sale price is just equal to the original selling price minus the discount. And that's going to give us $500. Take away the $75 discount, and that means the sales price is actually going to be $425. So we had to do a couple of steps to get this answer. First thing I found was the discount in dollars by using part equals percent times whole. And once I got the discount, I had to subtract to get the sale price. Okay, let's look at a second way of doing this question. If I can get this to scroll, which I'm not having a whole lot of success at. Maybe I'll change to, there we go. That took a little while. And then I'll scroll back to get the question again. Okay, so we're going to find the sale price in one step rather than two. And the idea is if the discount is 15%, then the sale price as a percent, sale price percent, well, the original amount is 100%. We're taking off a 15% discount, and therefore we're paying 85%. So we can use that to say the sale price is 85% of the original price of $500. Let's pretend I hadn't done the question already. So let's go ahead and use our calculator for this one. So part equals percent times whole. Percent is 85%. The whole is 500. Clear the previous question. 85 times 500. And I get the same answer as before, which is $425. Okay, guess what? It's now time for you to try two similar questions. Finding the sale price, giving the discount as a percent. And secondly, you've got to calculate the percent discount given the sale price. Okay, so stop the video, have a go with these two questions, and then start the video and check your answers. Okay, guys, welcome back. Let's see how you went on the first one. The way I'm going to do this one is the second method that I used in the example. If something is discounted by 25%, it means I'm actually paying 75%. So the sale price that I'm paying is 75% of the original selling price of $90 equals 0.75 times 90. Get out the calculator, clear the previous calculation. 0.75 times 90, and it's going to be $67.50. So that's the new sale price for this particular item. Okay, let's scroll down and try the second question. Okay, here we're being asked to calculate the percent discount on a $450 laptop that is on sale for $360. So the first thing I have to work out, if I'm trying to find the percent discount, then the first thing I have to find is what the actual discount is. So it did cost $450. It sold for $360. 450 take 360 is 90. So the laptop is discounted by $90. Now I need the percent discount. And again, it's worth writing the word discount is part of the equation. Percent discount equals discount over, in this case, the selling price, the original price. And the discount is $90. The selling price, the original price was $450. Okay, let's turn that into a decimal. 90 divide 450. And that turns out to be a 20%, 0.20, which is a 20% discount. Okay, so there's some of the slightly harder questions on financial applications of percentages.